welcome back to as Institute. Today our topic how to think in English language. So I am going to start this topic, my dear guys. It is very most important for you. Firstly, if you want to learn English language, so first we should think in English language. If you want to increase your English language, if you want to increase your vocabulary, so firstly you need to think English language. My dear guys, first of all you have a big problem. How to think English language? If you want to think English language, my dear guys, so firstly you need to increase your vocabulary. You need to read many books. You need to read the many articles. You need to read the newspaper. If you read the newspaper Times of India as a English newspaper, so you can increase the vocabulary. Then you can think the English language. My dear guys, firstly, if you want to learn English language, so you need to think in English language. If you are sleeping on the bed, so you need to think in English language. As well as if you do work in a holiday, I woke up early morning 6 o'clock, then I get ready and go to school, then I eat food, then I drink water, then I go to and say school and for the school for something learning. If you are thinking in your minds a little bit sentences, maybe you are not perfect in English language, but firstly think in English language. If you think in English language, so you can increase yourself, you can increase your productivity, you can improve your English language. So my dear guys, firstly that's not big task how to think English language. If you want to think English language, so firstly if you do work anywhere, you are talking with your friend, so think in English language. As well as today I meet my friend, today I go there, today I go to Mumbai, so you can think in English language. If you think English language, so automatically increase your vocabulary, automatically enhance your English language. So I hope you will be understand this video. Jai Hind दोस्तों.